What's up, guys? Welcome back to Horsepower and Pizza. I want to apologize in advance for the quality of this video. If it jumps around a little bit, I'm filming most of it on my iPhone, but I also have the Canon M3 headed over to 6-star Performance Fabrication to get the 435 on the dyno to get baseline numbers. Not really sure what to expect. BMW is known to underrate from factory the horsepower numbers. I think this car makes like 300, 306 crank horsepower, but I've heard people saying anywhere from expect like 275 to 290 wheel because the engine actually makes closer to 300. We're gonna have to see. Planning on going like partial bolt on and then full bolt on, but I wanted to get dyno numbers, make a video for y'all, and just see where we're at. Another quick announcement before we get into things. The Driven to Cure benefit stickers are still on the website, $3 a piece. Every single penny of that goes to Driven to Cure. Actually have my shirt on, and they're gonna stay on the website. That's not a, it's not just a promo. They're there to stay. If you want orange stickers, the money's going to Driven to Cure. Another quick plug. Our uncensored podcast is on Spotify and iTunes under Cold Pizza. If you look up Horsepower and Pizza, it will come up. The show is called Cold Pizza. Generally Sunday, Monday, there's a new show every week. It's myself, RJ Creasock, Chance Vernier, Blair Steffen, Sean Sullivan, Riley O'Connor, various guests from time to time. Not everybody's always on the show, but be sure to check that out if you're into podcasts. At Horsepower Pizza on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, everything else. Let's go to 6-star. I just got the 6-star. They have all sorts of Subarus lined up outside. 6-star Performance Fabrication. As 6-star implies, the Subaru logo has 6 stars in it, so they specialize in Subarus. I chose them because they're close. I had spoken to somebody at a local show that works here, and they said, yeah, come on in. They had an M240i on their dyno a couple weeks ago, and that's what prompted me to talk to them. So I'm gonna run inside, talk to them real quick, and we will get set up and get in, get out, and get going. I wanted to put the drone up, but unfortunately, I don't know if you can see the clouds behind me. It is starting to rain a little bit, so I am not going to be able to get any cinematic drone shots. Plus, this is kind of like an industrial area, and I don't know what the regulations are around here, so sorry guys. I have the dyno sheet, no idea how to read it. First pull, 249 wheel horsepower. Second was 254, third pull, 257. It is a Mustang dyno, so a bit stingy. Reads a little bit low. That's a little lower than I expected, but that's also Mustang dyno. I think I was projecting DynoJet numbers. Really happy. Have to bring it back here sometime soon once I get the tune on it and the charge pipes. The problem with these N54 and the N55, like is in my car, BMW decided, hey, we're gonna put plastic charge pipes to the intercooler on these. Well, plastic charge pipes are known to blow out under even stock boost pressures. So before I turn the boost up at all, I have aluminum charge pipes from VRSF, I believe it is. They do a lot of BMW stuff, and have that, and I have a catless downpipe. Unfortunately, the tune that I have is a Burger Motorsports Stage 1 piggyback. Just gonna throw that on and make a couple videos with it, but that will not cancel the check engine light from the catless downpipe. So we're gonna do charge pipes and tune, run that for a little bit, and then when I go to Pro Tuning Freaks and run probably the boot mod 3 or boot mode, however that's pronounced, then I will put the catless downpipe on. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. horsepowerandpizza.com, @horsepowerpizza on Instagram. Go show 6 Star some love. They're tagged in all of the Instagram stuff. If you're in the Pittsburgh area and you have a Subaru that you need worked on, bring it here. I'm not biased. I hang out with all these different shops, so I just try to throw business to everybody. Thanks for the love. Peace out. Build it for you.